everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will review together Lenovo X9 Bluetooth. It's a true wireless earbuds. So today we will open this one and we will check what is inside and talk about its specification and feature as well. So as you can see, there is mentioned some specification in both English and Chinese language. So first we will open this box, after we will go to its specification and features. So I open this box. So as you see, I already cut its seal. So let's open this box, and in between we will talk about its specification and features also. So this is the box. What we found inside the box: one manual. This is one manual which is in English and Chinese language. Both languages available. You can see here mentioned TWS Bluetooth headset X9. Its model is X9. It's X9 Bluetooth. And what else inside the box? Inside the box we found one charging cable. Big charging cable. It's also very good. So let's open and check how much length of this charging cable. So its length also almost half meter length of this charging cable. And this is the case of Lenovo X9. You can see very premium look, like a AirPods. Here is USB-C type charging connector for charge this case of Bluetooth. So let's open this Bluetooth. You can see very premium and classy look of this X9 model. We will take out its earbuds. This is two earbuds inside the box. You can see box also look like very good quality. It's a glossy type material, shining and looking very cute. This box, you can see here also mentioned model X9, input DC 5 volt 1 ampere. So you can use your mobile charger for charge this TWS box. Battery capacity 300 mAh. Here mentioned battery capacity 300 mAh, which will give you almost 20 to 25 hour playback time. So this is the box and this is the earbuds. You can see this is the earbuds, same like Apple iPods. Its look, if you put wrong in the box, so it will not close. You can see it's a catchable box. So here is magnet. When you just push one time, it will catch. Just push, it will catch because it magnet inside. So first we check its charging. After we will go to its specification and features. For charging, you just need to put type C connector here. After you will get red indication blinking. You can see when I put this Bluetooth in charge, so there is red LED blinking. It's mean it's in charging mode. After charge, this light will become a blue or green. So like this you can charge this device. So guys, as you can see, this is very glossy and impressive look. Let's first talk about its specification, then we will move forward to its feature as well. So it's a Lenovo X9 model. It's using Bluetooth version 5.0, which is latest version. So very easy to pair with any device because Bluetooth 5.0 version connectivity is very good. So easily connect with any of your device. Its transmitting distance range in between 10 meters. It's mean your device and this Bluetooth should be in 10 meter range, so it will stay connected with your device within 10 meters meter range. Its drive diameter is 13 mm. It's mean inside the speaker diameter is 13 mm, which is quite good, so it will give you better sound quality. Its charging case battery capacity is 300 mAh and 3.7 volt DC, so it will give you almost 20 to 25 hour playback time. And its Earbuds battery is 30 mAh, which will give you 5-hour playback time, so it's a good time. It's also depend on the volume of music. If you are listening music in 100%, so it will give you less time, and if you listening music in 70 or 80%, so it will give you more playback time. Its case charging time almost 1.5 hour, means 1.5 hour to up to 2 hour. So when this one empty, so it will take almost 1.5 to 2 hour to getting full charge. It's available in two color, black and white. I order in white color, so you can see it's a white color. If you like black color, so you can also order in black color as well. Its earbud weight is 3.3 gram of each earbud, so very lightweight, so easy to put in your ears. And its box weight is 80 gram, which is also very lightweight, so easy to carry with you. You can keep in your pocket, and ladies can keep in their purses also, because it's a lightweight, so easy to carry this one. So guys, you can see when you charge this device, after it will show you green light like this, it's mean this device charge, and if it's flash red light, it's mean you need to charge this box. It's a 5.0 Bluetooth version. As I told you, Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures higher data transfer speed, stable and fast connection, and low power consumption. Its 5.0 technology will give you more backup and easy connectivity and low power consumption. This is this earbud sensing area, so you can control this earbud without any physical button, because it's a sensing area. So this is the touch sensor. When you press this one, you can answer the call, reject the call, play the music, pause music, next and previous. Different function you can read in manual. As they mention in manual, they are also using noise reduction for better calling experience. So still I didn't check this device, so I cannot say the mic quality and calling experience. It's a TWS earphone, so as you know, TWS auto fast pairing between left and right earbuds once opening the charging case. So when you open this charging case, it's very fast and auto synchronize together and paired with your mobile device or tablet or your computer, laptop, etc. So this is the specification and features of this TWS Bluetooth. Let's we connect this TWS with our mobile and check its sound and mic quality as well. For connect this one, I need to just open this box cover. After I will search Bluetooth device on my mobile. So I open this Bluetooth box. In searching, it's showing me X9. So I paired with X9. It asking me Bluetooth pairing request. I will accept. After that, my device connected with this Bluetooth earbuds. So I remove earbuds outside of the box, and then we will check its sound quality. So guys, you are listening this sound coming from this earbuds. I put in my ears, so I didn't feel its sound too much great, but it's very cheap, not too much high price. So in this price, I think it's sound okay, not very bad. So this earbud no have very good bass, but it's a basic sound, so its price is just in between $15 to $20. So in $15 to $20, it sound okay, not very good or not very bad. So I cannot say it sound very good. Its sound is clear but no have bass. And I also check this one on call, so call also normal, not give you very loud and clear output. So you can use in normal places, but in crowded places it will not give you good performance. So but its price very cheap, it's in only $15 to $20. So in this price, I think you can manage this one. So this is the features of this product. If you like this product, you can buy. I provide you link in description. Check out the description. There you will find the Amazon link and AliExpress both link. Any place which one you like, you just go in description and click on link, and if you like this one, you buy. You can buy in black color, you can buy in white color, both colors available. This is the today video guys. I hope you like the video. If you like, kindly please support me, subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends. If you have any query, you can ask me comment, and also you tell me in comments if you have this device and you are using, how's your experience about this Lenovo X9. So kindly tell me in comment. So take care, have a good day.